Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a supported Android Studio build, SDK components, and emulator support. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS and allocate adequate RAM and disk. Make sure you have a Google account and enable developer options on any physical test device. Connect it via USB or set up ADB over Wi-Fi. Then launch Android Studio and choose the standard install. This gets the IDE, SDK tools, and emulator images installed so you can create your first project straight away. Once your environment is ready, create a new project and pick empty activity to avoid clutter. Choose Kotlin for modern projects unless you need Java. Then inspect Gradle files. Set your application ID, min SDK version, and target SDK version, and sync the project to download dependencies. Make sure the run/debug configuration targets the correct module, and choose an AVD that matches your min SDK or connect to your physical device. Finally, build the app and run it. Watch Logcat to finish, test thoroughly. Run lint checks, use the profiler to inspect CPU and memory, and optimize layouts for responsiveness. When ready to distribute, generate a signed bundle or APK and secure your key store credentials. If something goes wrong, start with a clean build and invalidate caches, then restart Android Studio. Also check Gradle build output and daemon logs for dependency conflicts or missing SDK components. If the emulator stalls, wipe AVD data or recreate it. These quick steps usually fix common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.